Hello friends, once again I am here with my new topic in my, Tableau, joins and splits. All of you know what are joins. Joins are basically used for combining one or more data set together. And splits are basically the basic definition of split. If we want to split the data, if we want to split some column in two way on the basis of some characteristics, that is known as split. Now we will go in the definition. Before proceeding to the visualization, it's time to learn about two of the advanced data preparation techniques. These are two advanced data preparation techniques in the Tableau. Till now, what we have done, we have uploaded a single file and we have done some basic visualization on it. Now what we will do, uh, we will combine two or more data set together and then we have to visualize on the basis of some characteristics, some points, some uh, common characteristics. We will join the two or more data set. Once the data is imported into Tableau, then it must be prepared for further analysis. Then it will be converted into correct data format and all the errors will be removed. In last few videos, we have seen how to prepare data in a basic way by using data interpreter and how we can play around with the single data set with different type of charts. We have seen this. Now, how to use join? If the data is present in the different sheets of the same Excel file, then you can merge or join the sheets in the same Excel file on different sheets. Then we can merge. To join the sheets, you must have a join field that represent a column that is common in both the files. Depending upon the before joining, if you have learned you already know MySQL, then we know in MySQL queries, by using MySQL queries we can join two data sets together by using of joins. So these are same joins here: left join, right join, inner join and outer join. So what is join? Left join, what are left? Inner join, we in by use of inner join we find out the elements which are common in both two tables. If there are two tables, if we use inner join, then common point, common characteristic, common common rows will be displayed in the output. Similarly, in left join, entire left table and the common columns from the right table will be displayed. In the right join, all right table and uh, some common which are common in the left columns, then they will, left table will be displayed in the output. In outer join, all in outer join or full join, all the characteristics, all the columns from the left table, all the columns from the right table will be displayed. These are the use of joins. Now what is split? Normally, split is performed on a column of the data if the delimiter, this delimiter means if the symbol on which you want to split the data is performed. We have to define at what point we want to split the data set is common and present in all the rows, particularly in that column. If not present in the row, then a custom split will be performed. Well, it is some advanced split. I will show how these things will going to use. Then if common elements is not there, common delimiter is not there, common symbol is not there, then we use custom split. How we now we are going to perform on the sample superstore data set. Connect to data, I think it was text file. Superstore. I guess it was Excel file, I think. Yeah, it was Excel file. I was uploading it as a text file, so it's also not uploaded. So in sample superstore data set, there are three types: orders, peoples, returns. What are orders? Orders are the summary, as we have seen in last videos too. Orders tell us about the various orders, which person is ordering the things. See, what is item ID, what is order ID, ship date, at what time, ship date, what was the ship mode, second class, first class, standard class, what was the customer ID, customer name, customer segment. There are various columns in the 22 fields and 9994 rows and 22 fields for representing different characteristics of the C. Customer segment, country, which state, postal code, region, subcategory, product name, and various things. What were the charges? What are the shipping charges for that item? This is the orders detail. And if we simply drag returns, what are returns? By in these orders, which persons have returned some product, these return shows that item. If we drag and drop returns here, what it is going to show? Return yes, yes, and order ID. This is show. This is showing the data how ordered was returned. This is the summary of that data, and orders was the full summary of the things, which was ordered. Now there are two data set: orders and returns. So friends, now go to the returns, drag and drop here. First of all, what is joining? Joining is when we merge two datasets horizontally, columns on columns of one dataset joined with another dataset. Jo- with another dataset, joins are of three types: left join, right join, outer join, and one is full outer join, inner join. So when we drag and drop this orders here, it is automatically clicked as inner join. Automatically, if we want to change this on the basis of some characteristics, like we want to tell left join, right join, we can change it. What inner join does? First understand this. It basically shows the common rows between two data sets. Common rows between two data sets. And at what point is it? What are the common data set? Order ID. Order ID. So by default, Tableau has created inner join. If we go to the left join, we can convert to the left join. If we want right join, we can change it to the right join. If we want full outer join, then there may be some changes too. So see, what are changes? On the basis of order ID, it will show some data set. So if we want a left join, right join, we will find output on the basis of those data sets. If I will use inner join, only common data of order id will be available, which is the common data. It is order id only. See, if we use left join, then entire left table will be represented. If we use outer join, entire columns will be presented in both the tables. Use full order, full outer. See. So friends, if you want to change the data according to your requirement, you can change simply clicking on this. By simply clicking on this. And if I want to split the data, I will use delimiter. Or if I want to split one of my data on basis of some delimiter, like if the I want to split this data set customer name, this column, on the basis of first name and second name, what I will do, I simply go to the split. Not using. See, see, this is, I have used it twice, so it is split it twice times, two times. Customer name 1 2, name 1 2. If we use only once, then so in our overall data set, at the end their column will be added, and it will perform the output. Means if we have split the data on some basis, then here will be represented. Similarly friends, these null values which are showing null values, it means when we combine the data set on the basis of some field, then there is not return is not represented there in order 1, and in second order, order id was whatever we have performed in that operation, order id was not present in few orders, so they are showing null. Similarly, split on the basis of customer name, it is already splitted in, we had done it two times, so it is showing two times. So I was confused at that time. There are few versions of the Tableau which we use, and if we do a split, then they will, sorry, they will they will add two columns immediately here. Whatever we are doing by clicking on simple column, they will add simply here. We are using some free version, then it has some limitations over there, so you have to check by simply clicking here that something is adding on the last one column. So you, what you will do, if we want to do some custom split, I means not on the basis of name, we want to change something else, like on the basis of separator, on the basis of slash, on the basis of some plus points, on the basis of some negative like on the basis of any characteristic. If there is a, we can separate that. So we will change, then we will change here and split off first, second, last one. We will do that. Split off last one on the basis of this. Last name on the basis of this. First name on the basis of E. And we have to represent only one column we have done. So this is the custom split on the basis of our data requirement. We can split and we can prepare our data set on the basis of requirements. Similarly, we can change here inner join, left join, right join. So friends, I hope you have understood which kind of data modification and data preparation according to requirement we can change. So friend, thank you so much. One thing I want to mention, if you are not using free version, there may be some click, some small changes there may be. So it's a free version. It's a basically I'm going to tell you for the person who is not able to afford money basis. If you want to pay something and then you want to learn Tableau, then it's a free version. You have to use only your desktop, your laptop. If you have, you can easily study everything. Okay guys, thank you so much.